is cook simple viand recipe for our dinner. So I put already, saute already garlics and onions here. I use G1 garlics. Now I will add also one potato I slice very thin. Like, now we'll add now this turmeric powder, salt, and chili powder. And then I will make also chapati. I have already rice. Now we can add now this cherry tomatoes. I add more cherry tomatoes there. Yan. Because we have abundance of cherry tomatoes, so that's why no limit to use. So solve na ang aming viand for dinner. And then there is extra, can we eat this one tomorrow lunch. Now we have to cover. Now let's check. All organics I cook for today. Garlics, onions, tomatoes, potatoes. Just not organic, this powder, turmeric powder, chili sauce, and some oil also to saute this one. So this is already cooked, so we have to turn off now the flame because I have to make now chapati, roti or kubos. There is already azan. As you can listen, there is azan for Maghrib. So we have to turn off now the flame. This is already cooked. We have to make now chapati, roti. Just now I make namaz prayer for Maghrib. So now time to cook chapati. I have my rice because lunchtime I cook rice for me with sauteed mixed organic vegetables like corn, eggplant, sponge gourd, bitter gourd, and string beans or sitaw. So this is roti for my husband, for Langga, for Fahad, and Fatma. Si Langga. give me here. Do not get. I have to make only 4 for Langga, 2 for my husband, 4 for Fahad or 3 and 2 for Fatma because I have my rice there. Someone is hungry because become balloon now this roti, you see. Now we have to put this one in hot pot so remain hot. Now next, I have to make 4, 8, 9, 10, 12. This is last and this is for our tiger. This is double chapati.